One of the skills that you practiced in Google Docs was merging cells in the tables that you created. You can merge the cells in Google Sheets as well. So if you wanted to turn cells A1, B1, and C1 into one large cell, you would just highlight those three, come over to this button right here that says Merge Cells, click on that, turns it into one large cell. If you click on the arrow next to the Merge Cells button, it'll give you an option to unmerge them. So if you wanted to undo what you did, you could. If you wanted to merge the cells in a column, you could do that as well. So if I highlighted cells A1 through A5, click the same merge button, it'd merge these cells for me. And last but not least, if I wanted to merge a lot of cells and get a little crazy, I could do that too. So if I went all the way over to C and all the way down to 5, clicked merge, that whole section would become one large cell.